Welcome to Zanzibar, an island where the wind carries a scent of cloves and the soul remembers what it means to live in the rhythm with the earth. Off the coast of Tanzania, Zanzibar is more than a paradise. It's a pulse, a sacred breath passed down through generations of farmers, healers, and sea traveling storytellers. This island has long been a crossroads. Arab, African, Persian, and Indian cultures woven into a tapestry of Swahili tradition. Here, the call to prayer echoes alongside the laughter of children, weaving baskets by the sea. Here, Ubuntu lives, the belief that I am because we are. And in the heart of it all, there is the clove, Zanzibar spice, its sacred gold, once worth more than gold, once the center of empire, still today harvested by hand by elders and children who know the language of the land. They pluck each clove bud with care, not just for trade, but for medicine, for rituals, for wound healing, and ancestral protection. Clove isn't just a spice, it's fire medicine. It warms the blood, stimulates the senses, and clears stagnant energy from the lungs, the gut, and the womb. Used in modern day dental hygienic clinics for tooth and gum care. In traditional Zanzibar homes, clove oil is used for massage, digestion, and intimacy. Clove tea is poured to welcome guests. Clove infused oils are offered in sacred baths to cleanse grief, open the heart, and awaken sensual joy. So today, as we travel through the story of this island, may you remember healing doesn't always look modern. Sometimes it grows on trees. Sometimes it smells like earth and spice. And sometimes healing sounds like women laughing as they carry woven baskets through the clove groves under the morning sun. This is Zanzibar. This is Travel Tuesday. This is Orgasmic Delicious Living Academy, where the sacred lives in every breath, every step, and every spice. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being with me this long, for your subscriptions, likes, shares. All our details are in the description box below. Stay rooted, stay delicious, stay sovereign, and I'll see you back here next Travel Tuesday. One love.